to recreate another account on Fetch Rewards. Before this video gets started, sorry, I haven't been posting. I've been caught up with school and stuff. So let's get started. One of the main reasons people want .to make new accounts is because they got banned. Before doing this tutorial, make sure .to try asking them to reactivate your account to their via email /fetch@fetchrewards.com. If that doesn't work, you can do the tutorial. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Reset and click Erase all content and settings. On Android, go to Settings, General Reset, Factory Data Reset, and it will reset your entire device, except for phone contacts. On iPhone, use iCloud if you don't want to lose everything. If you have used your real phone number and email on Fetch, then make another Gmail and download Text Now for a new phone number. Then download the app. Sign up into Fetch Rewards and use a referral code. You can't scan the same receipts on your old account on the same device, if that makes sense. And that's how you make a new account. Before this video ends, thank you for these people for using my referral code. That's all for today. Bye guys.